We gotta watch out for each other now, more than ever.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta get started.
This planet was starting to bounce back. We were starting to bounce back, and then those invaders fucking rolled in here. They don't give a shit.
My name is Kim. I guess you could say I run things around here. I know you've already been through a lot, Captain. But the truth is, we need all the help we can get. And at the moment, you're it. We thought your people on that train were gonna give us an edge. We were all gonna work together to grow things, make things. We were gonna fight back against the twins. But all of that is gone now. So, it's up to us. Got a lot of work to do. Let me show you how things work around here. This is Prosperity. If we're gonna have a fighting chance against the Highwaymen, the first thing we've got to do is get this place up and running. We have several facilities to make Prosperity thrive. These are the places where you can craft weapons and vehicles, cultivate plants for health, and many other things. This is Hope County. In order to get the most out of our facilities, we need ethanol to upgrade them. Your map shows the Highwaymen outposts, where they store the ethanol they stole from us. Secure these locations to get what we need. And here's where you can find specialists. People with the expertise to really give us a fighting chance against the twins. Bring them home, and they'll make Prosperity and you stronger. But without Thomas Rush, none of this is gonna work. He's built up settlements before, and without his knowledge, we won't be able to take Prosperity to the next level. Lately, the twins are sending a lot of prisoners to their coal mine. I'd start looking there. So, that's it. We rescue Rush, find people who can run the facilities, and bring them enough ethanol to maximize what we can craft. If you can help us, we'll do everything we can to help you.
You're the one with the 9 lives. The people I know from here, well,
Hey there.
we all make do.
I hear something.
A lot of us were ready for something bad to happen, and that helped.
Hello.
Those masked fucks are bleeding me dry.
So you come in with Carmina. Oh.
There's something I need to tell
Captain
you.
from the train, huh?
The Highwaymen, they took my dad. My mom and I, we haven't seen him for months. We have no idea where he
Happy
is.
you made it.
I'd be lying if I said he wasn't a big reason I came to Rush.
Working my ass off here.
So you come in with Carmina.
There's something I need to tell you. The Highwaymen, they took my dad. My mom and I, we haven't seen him for months.
Oh,
We have no idea where he
you're
is.
the captain from the train, huh?
I'd be lying if I said he wasn't a big reason I came to Rush. I love my dad. I just want him home. And knowing that people everywhere
Happy you
are
made it.
losing loved ones too, it's why I won't stop. Not until the Highwaymen are finished.
So you come in with Carmina. I heard about what happened. Sorry about your people, Captain. At least you...
Glad you're on out. Heard Wade Fowler plan to start up a new Fang Center at the old church down the way. Rumor has it he met a tragic end, but there might be supplies you could recover.
Most of the survivors had it. before the bombs fell. Me? This world is the only thing I know. Whatever I know about the past is from stories my parents told me. Not from photos or videos or books. Stories. Because
Hope our side's treating you well.
Best dental floss replacer around. You can't keep flossing if you want a long life.
Oh,
most of the
you're
survivors
the
had a different
captain
life
from the
before
train,
the
huh?
bombs fell. Me?
Open the gates! Don't know what we'll do when we run out of duct tape.
Okay, let's go.
Working my ass off here, but it feels worth it.
We got our work cut out for us.
Keep an eye out for scouts. They've always got intel on what's happening in Hope County. Whether it's an outpost, buried treasure, or a new ally in our fight, they'll always update your map with the location of something worth your while.
You're the one from the train.
We're gonna build up something good here.